Welcome to Blue Baron Carpet Cleaning Systems, home of the Access Point heat exchangers and Blue Baron truck mounts. And here we have an orange powder coated combo between a 100-gallon tank and the inline filter box. All stainless, really heavy duty. This weighs a lot, but it's a lifetime warranty. And we have active threads in there, which is unlike some of the other companies like Sapphire, which has no threads, and all the debris and everything just packs in on the walls of this inline filter box. Now, why would you want to go and do that? I don't know why they would cut the couplings, because that would totally get rid of the threads. And in this case, we have active threads and the ability to put cam locks and a 2-inch 90 and a stainless 2-inch. Everything in here is all stainless, and we have a stainless debris basket. So it's, if you're picking up something like a ring, your customer says, oh, I lost a necklace or ring, at least you'll be able to find it before it reaches your tank. So if you don't have a preliminary catch basket here that catches the debris, then otherwise you'd have to take this lid off, and this tank may be kind of stinky, might have a lot of stuff in there, and then you'd have to reach down inside that debris basket. So it's so much more nicer and maintenance free just to have this on the edge of your truck. You got good stainless mounting brackets. I mean, this is very, very sturdy. We even got our website and our name and telephone number. This 100-gallon tank here is fully equipped with everything you need to do a good storage of dirty water. And we got our 2.5, which gets hooked up to a 2 7/8 hard wall, a real sturdy acoustic dampening connection that goes back to your blower on your console. And this is your inlet, and this attaches to the back of your inline filter box. We put another 2-inch nipple there. So everything's really set up nice. You got a gate valve on this. Got a gate valve over on this here. And vacuum relief. And the full assembly for the solenoid, as well as your drain B, because everything's labeled, like on the back of your console it'll be labeled drain line B to drain line B on the back, and the same thing on this side as well on the back of your console. So those pressure hoses, those 3000 psi 500 degree rated stainless braided hoses will connect to that. So it's just really high quality all the way around. Marine grade aluminum, heavy duty, lifetime warranty. Got real sturdy baffles, and as you can see, very, very sturdy all the way across. We have an anti-slosh at the bottom, the ability for the water to migrate, and air holes to create the movement of air. Now in this case, we don't have a pedestal for the debris basket. For those people that don't buy the inline filter box, they'll get a aluminized pedestal here with a debris basket. So this will extend outward with cam locks. So you'll have the same ability to disconnect and clean everything as you do with the inline filter box. So, and then of course we got the gasket and our vacuum relief, our drain in the inside that will drain the water, and just everything is just total quality. This is a lifetime warranty. And when you look online for, most times you'll always see us in the search engines. It's a lot, harder to find a manufacturer that will do these individually without having to buy a machine. But our factory has sold a lot to people that just want to get into a better tank. And, I'm just really happy with everything here. And the previous video of the console, the 45 SE, Blue Baron 45 SE, was all powder coated orange, so everything is nicely matching. It's just a beautiful match. Everything came out really good. And if you have any questions, call us today at 727-505-2989, or look us up online on 24/7 store at truckmountstore.com. and we'll answer any of your questions. We're open on Saturdays, so if you have any questions, just give us a call. We look forward to meeting you. Thank you.